Alright guys, it's been a while since I started a video like this, but we're out tonight on the back roads with Jason and his S2000. It's finally running correctly, so I'm really excited that we're finally bringing our cars out for one more drive before really the season ends. Now, I'm kind of scared to push it because this is kind of the season when a bunch of deers just come out, but I know Jason does not care because we were driving just now and he clearly is just full sending it. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can keep up with him while keeping it safe. Wow. He is just so much faster than me. Let's look at the temps, look at the temps. Okay, we're still good, we're still good. I apologize if I just did not talk at all, but I had to lock in. Jason is so fast on this road. This is kind of like his home map. I don't even know if what I'm saying makes sense, but all the rock chips when I get too close to Jason's car. Dang. You see one of the benefits of having a wing is that you could also use it as a table when you're eating. One of the many perks of having our Magic Wing on your RX8, or any wing as a matter of fact. But yeah, we got Jason out here and we got Arda in his big body BMW. But yeah, I honestly wasn't planning to record a video today, but I was coming out for a drive, so I bought the camera just in case, you know. And honestly, that was a lot of fun. It's been a while since I got to drive with anybody, so yeah, it's good change of pace, and I had a lot of fun. And the car honestly felt amazing. So, and plus with the colder weather outside, can't tell by me wearing a hoodie, with the colder weather outside, I just did not have any cooling issue whatsoever. So that was honestly just so good, and I'm really happy with how the car handled today. But yeah, gonna munch on some fries right now. Is it really is it really a Rx8 video without gas stations and McDonald's? Questionable.
Chicken Big Mac.
Oh shit, what the that's a thing? Alright guys, we're on our way home right now. Honestly, wasn't planning to film a video today. Just wanted to take the Rx8 out for a night drive with Jason, and you know, things just turned out the way that they did. And I'm glad I brought the camera along because it was a lot of fun. But I apologize in advance if this video is a little bit choppy because, you know, I wasn't planning on filming anything, so I don't know how well how well I'm gonna be able to edit this, but really happy I took the Rx8 out though. With the temperature like being cooler outside, I think the cooling is just perfect, and if I could get it to be like this for the rest of the year, like throughout the entire year, that would be amazing. Can't wait to get that done. But I feel like I've just harped on this topic for too long now, so I'm just gonna stop talking about it. But today was a lot of fun, and I love how this car handles. I just wish it had a little bit less body roll, and I feel like I could probably do some more tuning with the suspension. And yeah, I think this car has so much potential, and I can't wait to keep building it. And I'm just excited. I feel like I get so happy every time I do have the opportunity to push the car or just drive around some twisty. It just makes me so happy. But I honestly just don't drive the car enough, and I need to do it more. And I'm glad Jason got his car running too. Don't know how well you guys can see out from him, but like he's right in front of me. His car is like pretty much driving perfect again now. He was having some issues before with his diff, but you know, it's all good. I think like it ended up not being too serious of a problem, but really happy that we got both our cars out at least one more time before the summer ended, and just so happy. I literally don't have any other words to say. If you guys are like working on your car, like fixing your car, I know a lot of my viewers have RX8s, which, you know, is so incredibly cool, and I know not all of them are running at the moment, but you know, just take this as inspiration. You know, get your cars running, because once you drive it, it really is just all worth it. And I can't imagine not having this car right now, and yeah. Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video, and as always, if you made it to the very end of the video, really appreciate you guys for taking the time every day to watch the content all the way through to the very end. It really means the world to me, so thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, I'm really happy I took the Rx8 out last night. It was a lot of fun. It's been a minute since I got to drive around with all of my friends like that, so I just had a complete blast. And I know I've been complaining a lot about random stuff happening to the Rx8 and just stuff in general, but when the car works, it's just perfection. I love the way the car drives, and I can't wait to drive it some more. Now with that said though, winter is right around the corner. I don't know how many more opportunities I will be able to get to drive the car like I did last night, so I'm gonna try to really take advantage here and just go on as many drives as I can. Now speaking of that, if you guys didn't know, I did create a Discord channel recently, and I linked it in the past 2 videos. So if you guys haven't had the chance to join, I'm gonna link it again in the description below, and you guys have that chance to join now. The reason why I bring this up is because if you guys are in the New York tri-state area, right, or anywhere within the vicinity of New York, or if you're interested in driving out for this, I do want to have, like, you know, a little group drive thing sometime soon, or maybe just all meet up somewhere. I think that would be really cool, and it would be great if we got, you know, if we do it before the winter comes, essentially. So if you guys are interested in that, I highly recommend joining. Or even if you guys aren't interested in that, I highly recommend you joining. We just talk a lot about random stuff, talk about cars, talk about fixing our cars, and just stuff in general. So if you guys are interested, join in the description below. And I think that's pretty much it. Nothing too much going on at the end of this video, so I think we could end it early. So as always, thank you guys so much again for watching the video all the way to the very my brain is not working at this point, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the very end. Remember guys, to stay safe out there because the world's a crazy place, so you gotta do your part to stay safe, right? And until the next video, peace.